In this Illustrator tutorial, I'm going to show you how to select objects by color. So sometimes you have like a complicated Illustrator document, or maybe you just have a ton of objects that are the same color that you want to get selected. And there's two different ways that you could do this. The first way is called select same. So if you select one of the objects, like this green circle over here, we can go up to the select dropdown and then go down to same. And then we have a lot of different options here. Appearance, fill and stroke, or just the fill color. So if in this case, if it's just the fill color is the same, or you just want to select all of the objects in your document that have that specific fill color, you can select this right here. And because the first one we selected was the green, it selects the other greens as well. From here, we could change the fill color if we wanted. Maybe we wanted a lighter green. There we go. So you could do the same for any of these other things. Now, another way that you can select is by selecting all of the objects in your document or all the objects that are relevant to what you're trying to make. So in this case, I'm going to press Command or Control if you're on PC. Command A or Control A, I suppose. That's going to select everything in my document, or you could click and drag over just the group that you want to kind of drill down into and get the colors from. Now, once I have all these selected, I can go up to Edit, down to Edit Colors. And I have some options here. One of those is Recolor Artwork. When we click on Recolor Artwork, we actually get this color wheel here. There's a generative recolor. We don't need to use that. You can play around with that if you want. You can adjust some of these things here, but essentially, you can see all the different colors in your selection right here. If we click on one of these colors, and we could double click on it, we can actually change it. So let's say I wanted to take all of the reds to a really light blue, like a sky blue. You can press OK, and you can see how it changed that out there. Now, there's one issue here, and that's that it was linked. And so we actually need to unlink that before we make that change, because it changes everything relative. You can see every other color changed as well. So I'm going to press Command or Control Z to undo that. We need to unlink that. I want to be able to change these individually. So we bring it back here. We can double click on this, change it to that sky blue. So we're changing the red to the sky blue, and you'll see it change out here. Sometimes there might be a little glitch where it doesn't preview it for you. So if you just click on your swatch, it'll actually adjust it. It'll help refresh your document. But you can also click and drag any of these around. Just make sure you have this unlocked down here, and you're essentially recoloring your artwork. You can click off of this to then come back out here. But that's a way to take a look at all the colors in your selection and then make adjustments to them. Now, that's not necessarily how to select that color, but it is how to change that color if that's what you're trying to do as well. But the way to select the color is pretty simple. Click on the color, go up to Select Same, and then you have all these different options here. By the way, also, just a tidbit, I'll make another tutorial, but you can also select objects, like for instance, all text objects, or point type, or area type. There's different things you can select here, which is pretty cool, actually, and it's something that I didn't learn when I first started using Illustrator. But selecting same, fill color, and you can get a selection of all of the same fill colors as your original selection. That's how you can select by color here in Adobe Illustrator.